The puzzle has 11 pieces, and some of them are quite similar, and it will be difficult to find where each of the parts go in order to solve the puzzle. As you can see, I was able to fit how many? 10 pieces, but there is not enough space for the last one. Difficulty level of Malevich puzzle is 7 out of 10 on a Puzzle Masters difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10. We will start with this tiny piece and put it in the bottom right corner. Grab this large piece, put it right here, and then this part goes right in here. Then you grab this long piece and put it into this spot. Then this light color piece goes here. Piece like this one. It is very similar to this piece, but this one is a little bit smaller. Then you put one of the biggest parts right here. Then the biggest piece goes in here. Then these parts, they are exactly the same, so you can put them either like this, or you can switch their places. And then the last piece goes in here. If you like this puzzle and you want to try some other great puzzles made by Ziebenstein Spiele, go to puzzlemaster.ca.